Hey fam, it's Lauren from Snowy's here with the Black Wolf round picnic table. It's got a lightweight aluminium frame, a beautiful bamboo surface, and it comes with an awesome carry and storage bag. So your round picnic table weighs just over 3.5 kilos, and when it's packed, it measures about 60 centimeters by 40 by around about 10 centimeters here. Now it does come in this handy storage bag here with extra long webbing straps to make it super portable and easy to carry. The bag itself is not super heavy duty, but it definitely will do the trick for protecting your table. So the table itself folds in half, which is why it can be nice and sort of, I guess, compact or flat packed. And it just simply opens up like so. And then that frame will extend out. And also underneath here, we've got this little aluminium bar that slips into place to keep the table together when it is all set up. So the dimensions of it now that we do have it set up is 60 centimeters in diameter. So you have a nice big surface here, and it's around about 28 centimeters tall. So the tabletop, as I mentioned before, is bamboo, and it's got a nice sort of varnish or coating on it, which means it's super easy clean. It also looks really good as well. What we've got underneath here with that aluminium bar that I've shown you beforehand is that it doesn't actually quite lock into place. So it slides in there, and when your table's just sort of sitting and left where it is, it's gonna do the job, no worries. But if you go to pick up the table or move it, even with that aluminium bar in place, it will separate a little bit. So it's just something to be mindful of with little fingers and things like that. And it's definitely probably a set and forget table, which is what you're gonna wanna be doing with picnics and things like that anyway. So to pack it away, it's just a simple matter of reversing what you did to set it up. So we're gonna release this little aluminium bar here, and then grab the table on its outside edges and slowly start to fold it in on itself, and the frame will collapse in and it will all come together nicely. This table is perfect for a day at the beach or a trip to the park, or even to have on hand if you want to have a lazy day in your backyard. You can get this at snowys.com.au at our lowest prices every day. If you found this video helpful, give us a like. If you've got any questions or comments, chuck them below. You can head here to subscribe or here for more helpful videos.